Uh-oh, here they go. They're about to... Just seeing a few hundred, or probably about 100 or two blackbirds. I don't know if you can see them on this camera. Hopefully you can see them. But they're up there. Well, waiting. No, I'm trying to see if I can get some footage of these birds, man. These are my birds, man. Well, there are birds, but I just happen to kick it more with the birds. That is a crazy cloud formation. I'm gonna go get a different angle, see if I can get this in the camera. It kind of looks. Yeah, we got cotton candy, purple haze, tequila sunrise looking skies. That's a crazy looking little cloud right there. Kind of looks like a bull or something. Know what I'm saying? Just on, look at that big trail right there. Look at that trail right there. I'm wondering sometimes if trails are not just metal particles in the sky, magnetically charged particles, right? And what if they attach to ley lines or something like that, or there's some kind of like magnetic beam up in the sky we do not see, and these things are kind of just showing up in the beam of the electromagnetic. I mean, potentially, you know what I'm saying? I'm just speculating here, you know what I'm saying? Listen, it's not a crime to speculate. You know what I'm saying? It really is not, man. It's not a crime to think and be wrong sometimes. You know what I'm saying? It's not a crime, you know what I'm saying? To wonder. Yeah, see, look at that. That is just so weird. Where did that come from? I mean, it's so crazy out here. Oh, these damn skies, man. Yeah, see, that kind of looks like this cloud looks like a 90-degree angle, man. That just don't seem like clouds would form in 90-degree angles, man. It just very, very weird. I like when you can see the sun setting in the trees, and it's very red. It's a very red, very, very red light. And I'm wondering, is this red light because of them volcanoes that are all going off? And is the sky being, darkened? Pretty crazy.